Hi, I'm Sibo. This is my exam game for Computer Science 2019-2020. On the left here, you can see my game lab. You can see my sprites and my game itself. So the objective of this game is that you're controlling the cow, trying to get the burger, and the pig being controlled by a second player, because it's a two-player game, is trying to stop the cow. So looking in the bottom right at my code, at the top, we have just declaring the cow, the burger, and the pig, getting all their scales and getting them at random locations, except the pig always starts in the same spot. And below that we have the score. And then we have our draw loop where it sets our first background to pink, and each key down if statement for the arrow keys to control our cow. Then below that we have if the burger is touching the cow. So if the burger touches the cow, it will spawn to a new random location, and the score will go up by 1. And then if the score is greater than 5, our second background function happens, which turns the background blue. And then below that we have the WASD key down if statements to control the second sprite or the pig. And below that we have if the pig is touching the cow will move. So we are using a bounce off block so the pig can defend the cow from the burger. Or so the pig can defend the burger from the cow. Then finally below that we just have the text size to get our score in the top corner, and then our draw sprites. And then below that we have setting our second background, which in this case is blue. Thank you.